morning, Mr. Phelps. The item you are looking at is an exhaust manifold from a 1985 Volkswagen Scirocco. It was recently removed as part of an ongoing restoration attempt by this man, who we have yet to identify, but is known for producing a variety of B-grade videos on YouTube. His latest project is to replace the exhaust donut, which resides between the exhaust manifold and the exhaust downspout. The unit is held together with two thick steel C-clamps, which are under a great deal of compressive force and require a special tool and steely resolve to remove. Given the track record of our pitiful home mechanic, we are concerned that this project places him in great danger of bodily injury. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to stay close by, in the shadows, and monitor his progress, intervening in the event he does something, well, stupid. Your expert mechanical skills and uncanny physical likeness will ensure the project is completed without raising suspicion from his limited viewing audience in the event he seriously screws something up, or worse, hurts himself. As always, should you or any of your IM force be caught or killed, the Secretary will disavow any knowledge of your actions. This tape will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, Jim.
Back way, I don't have to lift it back there. Yeah, we're good. Okay. You never come off easy.
And there it is.
There it is. One exhaust manifold. I don't know.
So this is the exhaust manifold that goes down to the downpipe. And to get that off, there's these two C-clips that look like this. This is a new one. One on both sides, holding the two together. And there's two different tools I've seen you can buy. This one I think I got from Parts Place, and it hooks on, as you can see, to these C-clamps, and as you apply movement to this nut, it should pull them apart. We're going to see if that works or not.
Let's begin.
It still has to pull it out of this side over here, but it's getting close, I think. There it is. A little bit more.
And there it is.
Right, one back.
One. And there it is.
Now, exhaust.
donut.
Okay, so let's see, here's the exhaust manifold cleaned up to the best that I thought I could. Here's the exhaust downspout. That is almost virtually impossible to find, so I'm reusing it. Hopefully when we take it in to get the new muffler put on it, we can have the guy weld onto the back. But these two go together, and there is the donut. And I have no idea what this thing is made out of, but it looks like it's a bunch of just metal mesh that's compressed together.
Fuck if I know.
Anyway, that donut's going to go on the end, or the interface between the exhaust manifold, like so, which we just took off, and the exhaust downspout. And then those two pieces are going to be put back together with these C-clamps. And while I had the video of us taking it apart using this tool right here, let's see how easy it is to put them back on.
No shit, Sherlock!
Donut. Donut.
Okay, there's one. Yeah, okay, that's, there. Okay, so there's the first one. It went on okay. It looks like it, takes a little wiggling. I'm curious to see how the second one's going to pull down.
That's what she said.
But one down. It is at a slant, and when you put this thing back on, I had to go back and look at my videos. Make sure that you've got these holes aligned in the right way to go to the heat shield. If it's reversed, then that heat shield won't go on the right way. So in this case, it was on top where the oxygen sensor was. So let's see if we can get the second one in. Now, I'm always worried about stored energy, so I'm making sure that this clamp has got a nice seat on both sides so that it doesn't go flipping off, and that both of these prongs
are engaged equally. So this feels pretty solid, and let's see if we can break or open this one up and get it on the second one. Well, that doesn't look too bad. These are firmly seated, both front or both sides. I had to do a little bit of adjusting with the hammer to make sure that this downspout seated evenly all around there. Let me take it out in the sun, but it looks like I got it so it's pretty even. Yeah. So that does not look bad at all. Pretty evenly spaced all the way around there. I can see the gasket. These guys are firmly seated on in the notches on the downspout and on the exhaust manifold. Right on.